Hey guys, today we're walking down a mountain. ASMR, maybe?
You were born not too long, and you had kids you're all about. Wow. My evolution is enormous.
There's rocks there.
You're just really old.
It's awesome. There's a background noise. It's my feet. That was the lens cap. It's awesome.
Yes, I climbed it, Mom. You are victorious. Yes.
His feet.
Pokes you.
Ouch. I got bullied.
Pokes you. Pokes you. Pokes you.
Mom, I'm trying to record a vlog. God.
Does that mean I'm free of the coronavirus? Maybe so.
Some kid doesn't understand art. Sorry about that, guys. My mom's being mean. She's getting in the way of my vlog.
We're gonna ship you all over the world.
There's a trail? Oh, there is.
Were we that high?
I don't think we went on that trail specifically, but we were probably that high up.
No, we were on this side of the hill, canyon. Yeah, we were up that high for sure.
Yeah. Hey guys, I hope you like the Lens Cap gameplay.
Lens Cap season.
Yes. Oh, the battery's dying apparently. After like 1 minute of recording. Awesome. Was that full before I started recording this? That's awesome. I think I'm gonna have to end the ASMR once the camera dies. Sorry guys. I don't know if it's gonna save once it if it dies while I'm recording. Maybe I just have to stop it.
Probably stop it.
Yeah. Okay, your camera's back at full battery.
Is that flat up there then?
It keeps going up. There's a lookout over here, and then there's another trail.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
How do you feel about this?
I'm offended.
Oh, that's awesome.
I know, right?
Oh, so they could do it.
To attainment rich moment.
I know, but he said it's
Oh, God. I'm leaving.
Me too.
Yeah. I can't believe this is going to be like the first video we put editing into to like edit the two parts together. Stop tripping me. Okay, guys. This is unfortunate. God. I got a rock thrown at me, guys. I'm sad. Guys, this feels really steep. Oh, the camera's dying again, apparently. Lens cap gameplay. Oh my god, lens cap. Okay, fine. You can stay.
Oh, I'm now deep in this moment. Having like a sitting over doing this a lot when you were a little bit. No. I don't remember doing it little.
This feels really steep, guys. I'm scared. Hey guys, you can see my shadow. This is my face reveal.
My shot.
My shadow. Dude, we came from the left, right? That's what really steep. Hey guys, I think we're gonna trip and fall here. This is where we came from. I'm not gonna show you because there's people in the way. But it's like steep. It's bad. It doesn't actually look that steep from this angle. It actually looks really nice from this angle. God. That's really steep. Hey guys, never let your eyes see perspective correctly or else you're gonna fall off the steep hill. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Really sad. That's nice walking you got there. Awesome.
They're walking backwards up it.
There's wine or something. I love alcohol.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's illegal to record here, but we've been taking pictures and I think it's fine. So if we go to jail, if you stop seeing videos, that's because we're in jail.
Subscribe. So.
Yeah, subscribe to pay my jail bail fee. Alright, we got dips. This is going to be a lot easier.
100 quid or something.
2,000 quid for this. Should leave it.
2,000?
Yeah, that's what I said. I have an accent that doesn't allow me to pronounce properly. Okay guys, enjoy some more landscape gameplay. Well, that's awesome. Gravel walking gone wrong. Yeah. Okay. Hey guys, this is gravel from Minecraft. Yep. Oh yeah, there is that place. It's so slow to zoom in. It's like recording mode. Just give my viewers a seizure. Whoops. True. A dumbbell bench. Dumb bench. I'm gonna show you some water. Let's see if the camera can capture it. Well, that's just awesome, isn't it? The camera captures water in recording mode. Been going for 5 minutes saying the battery's about to die, which is awesome. I can't see. I can see again. I think I'm gonna fall. Oh god. Thanks for watching. I'm dead, so the video is gonna end.
Yeah, you got this.
Oh. Hey guys, made it up. Oh yeah, I think we can.
Wait, we gotta see my mom.
Oh yeah.
She's like down here somewhere.
Gone. Reduced to atoms. Maybe they came up here with us?
No.
Oh, right there. Oh, Mom's already all the way down there. Yeah. Life lesson, guys. If your camera sets at low battery, it's not. And make sure you record 7 minutes before it dies. Because it's not dead yet. And we've recorded 7 minutes with it saying, I'm gonna die. Lol, okay. What is my response to that? Oh, we already made it to the exit, guys. I'm gonna end.